G'day and thanks for watching Mowing for Mental Health. Well, it's been a few days since I've been here, probably about 600. That's about 600, 2 years. See the edge we did a while ago, still holding on. See, it's always cool, these bits. It's just where a little bit of growth comes out the gap and debris over time, water builds up, and then that's how your gutter just slowly becomes invisible. Frangipani tree there hanging on. Not too sure about these two here. There's a really nice rock edge garden bed under all that. It's all this here, it hasn't been done since we were here last, because I drive past this place often. But the front yard's had a little bit of maintenance. Little lizard. He's gone. You see the rock edge garden bed, it continues right the way around, and I didn't really touch the gardens when I was here last time. Probably clean this tree up a bit, make it look a lot nicer. So the person that we're helping here today hasn't been here for some time, and that's about all I know. I contacted them and said, would you like me to do the yard again? And they actually said that they was moving out and they was coming back in a couple of weeks, so it would be good to get it all cleaned up for them, and I appreciate them allowing me to film. I could give you a bit of a look at the backyard, but that's always the kicker. I guess you'll just have to keep watching. Cool cactus. Two mowers, Charger and Skagatha. I've just put new blades on Skagatha this morning. I'm looking forward to using it, but I've always got the Charger. It's a good mower. I might throw it in the garden bed. We'll see how we go. Just got some, got the bag, blower, broom. I don't know why I threw the broom in. Luck favours are prepared. If I needed a broom, then I'm in luck. Remember how I was talking about luck favours are prepared?
I need a shovel. I don't have one. I'm out of luck. I really should be using that edger blade for this, but I'm just not.
I'm not sure if that even looks remotely good, but it's definitely better than what it was. Found a couple of roly-poly bugs. Well, smaller ones. I probably just wiped out the generation before them. I honestly didn't know how much I had left. Whippersnipper skippy cord. Whipper skippy cord. This seems like a lot, but I'm just making it look like it. You go in there. I want to show, I will. It's got little holes in there, and you just put the cord in the hole, and then you just pull it back on itself tight, and it will lock in while you wind it up. Okay, but all you need to do is get one in one side, and then you get the other end that you've cut off in the hole. Pull them both back on themselves, and I like to just sort of get my thumb, and the thumb sort of guides them both in. There goes the postie. Yay! That's what it's meant to look like, sort of. And I always just, it's come out. This is why I like to call myself a professional time waster, because I could just go on, and then we go, oh, and there we go, and that's where I'm at, guys. Away we go, back in business. Right, there is a bottle cap right about there. Pick that back up. Got this, the drain snake. Just put that there. And just down here, we've got this here. We'll pick up, and we'll pick that up too. I don't know who put that there. We'll pick that up as well. Something wrong with Skagatha, and be my fault. It's got vibration, and I've just done the blade, so I've probably not seated them properly. That's the start of the garden bed. You can't see it, but there's nice rocks. I'll probably focus all on this garden after we clean up all here. forget about you guys as well. Righty, I'm not sure what this tree here is called, but I'll let you know right now. I'm just going to start trimming around the base of it. I'll pull the camera back a bit. There's 2 trees, 1 tree, 2 trees. It's starting to rain. The trunks here, they've just got all these branches poking off. It just looks dirty. One of the greatest, the goat, the greatest invention. Cool windows and garden bed. I think this is mondo grass. Forgive me if I'm wrong. It's a type of grass. Anyway, good for the garden. Bit of greenery. And here we have some bromeliads. Quite fond of bromeliads, really. I think they're an amazing plant. Come back, we're starting to unravel some of that garden bed edging. It's the good stuff, the stone. Come around here. We've got right around 13% battery, so we'll just try and get done something. We'll get done 13%. Just cicadas. Yeah, I feel like I'm starting all over again. I've lost like the memory up here, all the book that I had all in my head that I was building up, and I'm starting fresh. Luck favours the prepared, so I've just thrown it all in the van. I'm not sure if that even looks remotely good, but I respect everyone's opinion, and everyone, like how everyone's different, and everyone does things in different ways. And look at this. This is just, what are you doing, Tyler? What are you doing? The neighbour next door, his security system, it keeps getting triggered by me. All I'm hearing, I keep hearing is, hello, welcome. And now the entree for the mowing, the blowing. Pretty cloudy. There's not too much blue in the sky. I'll clean this one off here. This tree, it's got like berries on it. That makes me very happy. I'm no arborist, but that's not how you cut, how I just cut that. Oh, I need my stick, my GoPro stick.